Hi, I'm Allen Gardner. I'm with Edge Autonomy, and we're at AUSA, and we're here to support the Army, which is a critical customer of ours. And here above me, you have the Stalker family of aircraft. These aircraft are designed to meet the emerging needs of the U.S. Army, that as the Army moves towards drone dominance, they have now available to them these aircraft here. So this is the Stalker family. We've been developing these not just for a couple years. This has been going on since 2006. The first Stalker came out and supported a DARPA activity and has merged and evolved for years since. This has been proven on 6 continents. We have hundreds of these aircraft flying around. And here at AUSA, we're showing the latest versions of these. And we're talking with our Army customers about what needs to come next as they move towards drone dominance. And what you see here is the assets that the Army is looking at for the brigade level, the battalion level, and underneath the wing, you see the squad level. So using the Army's brigade and battalion level assets as a mothership to drop a squad level asset to meet the needs of the warfighter directly on the edge of the battlefield.